Hello, everyone, and good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
and
morning.
welcome to the presentation day. Before going into the presentation day or before going to the reverse Katie, I would like you, okay, to just spend next 2 to 3 minutes with me, okay, and what exactly we did in the last 50 days because this batch has been started. What is the date, guys, when we have started the batch 36?
28th of August.
28th of August. Yes, okay. This has been mentioned in the group description also. Name also 28th of August. Yes, we have started this batch on 20th of August. And from the 20th of August, whatever we are doing it, okay, we have lot of achievements happen in this group, right? So I would like to understand, listen from you guys as well, what exactly we did in the last 45 days, okay? How much we trained to you, okay? How much you learn, whatever is your previous experience, technical, non-technical, whatever it is, now we have to, the time came, we have to combine this all and we have to go for the interview. Are you agree? Ready? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Everyone? Everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, good. Okay. And that's why we would like to you, whatever I have teach to you, okay, whatever we have delivered to you, you can take as a 10-10 minute sessions, okay, or 5-5 minute sessions and deliver the things so that what will happen, your confidence will get good. Okay. When how you have to present into the interview, how you have to sit for the interview, how your camera has to be get set up, how your mic has to be get set up, everything will be fixed in the today's session itself. Because tomorrow, if you will go for the interview and you will say that my camera is not working, my mic is not working, I don't know how to present the screen, right? This all also will be a reason of the rejection. Are you agree with my point? Yes, no,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
This
yes.
can be the reason for the rejection as well. I don't want any reason. Okay. These are very small things. We can fix it in the next half an hour also. Okay. If your mic is not working, you can order a mic. If your camera is not working, order a camera. Simple 500, 600,000 rupees bucks. That's it. Okay. Because of this 500 rupees, you are rejecting the 5 lakh or 10 lakh extra package, right? So don't do this mistakes, please. Okay. And fix it by the today, because today you will realize that your camera is not working, mic is not working, whatever it is. Okay. Because others are working and they will take your job. Simple. Okay. Cool. And this is I will call as a virtual meet and greet. Why? Because we are not physically available, everyone. Okay. We are virtually, someone is sitting from the US, someone is sitting from the India, some other countries as well, right? So we are doing the virtual meet and greet session in the today's part. And definitely why we are doing these sessions, or what exactly the agenda for this session is for your success. Okay. You have to take the steps one by one and definitely your success story will be get created. Agree? Yes or no?
I agree. I agree.
Everyone, right? But
Yes.
see, you already run it. Now you have to take the steps. Okay. Cool. And in last couple of days, couple of months, we have created lot of success stories. If you will see in our WhatsApp group also, yes, the yesterday only one of the student has certified to the AWS solution architect level as well, right? And this happened previously also in our batches, right? One more person has already did the Azure certification as well. One of the person who get a job in the starting of the 20 days only, right? Yes or no? Yuvraj, right? He get a job in the in the first 20 days itself of the batch itself, right? He given interview, he was very confident that I want to revise everything, I want to brush up my skills, and he get a job as well. And every day the referrals are coming to you guys. Okay. We have reached to the till now we have provided the referral till 12, right? 12 referrals we have provided. Out of that, guys, some people are getting the call every day. They are connected with the Akansha. Okay. Referrals are going on, and lot of technical issues, whatever is coming, are getting fixed into the WhatsApp group itself. Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes.
Can you just tell the buffer time that if any of the issue came, how much time it take to resolve? Any idea? How much time it took to resolve? Anyone posted any of the question, technical, non-technical, anything?
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 max? Max or what?
Yes, a maximum 15 minutes.
Right? The issue will get resolved, right? So yes, this is, I can say 15 minutes. Let's see somewhere. Okay. You will observe that it can be faster than that also. Okay, because sometimes people are telling that, yeah, this is the problem I'm facing, and so many people, or I am also always available to help you out. Okay, so this is what we are doing in this WhatsApp group. Okay, the intention is like to get you connected with everyone very quickly, very fastly. Cool. Okay, and definitely your success story is going to be happen in the month of November itself. Are you ready? Are you confident? Yes or no? After learning,
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
everyone, not
Yes.
one or two.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. And guys, I would like you to rate how exactly you feel. Okay. It's a good, excellent, average, poor. What exactly it is? One word answer. Simple. Go ahead.
Excellent. Amazon.
Only one voice I get. What about others?
It's a really, really good, more than awesome, I can say. So.
Okay.
Whatever was promised was delivered. So yeah.
Yeah, simple keyword, right? Whatever I promised on the day one or before the day one, I delivered that. Correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Everyone agree with this point?
Yes, sir.
What words you have?
Agree.
What words? Just one line
Awesome,
answer.
sir.
Everyone,
More
right?
than awesome, sir. Yes.
Everyone happy, everyone satisfied, right? With my
Yes.
commitments.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Guys, it's a growing path. Okay. Today you are into this level, you are into 10 lakh package, 15 lakh package. Okay. Don't assume that directly you will get 50 lakh package, 40 lakh package. Directly is not possible. Simple. We have to grow every year, every 6 months, every year. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Don't feel that key because how I will get the 30 lakh package, because I'm getting this type of questions. Okay. From the students. Okay. Because I want 30 lakh package. Yeah. First get the package of 15 lakh. If your current package is 15 or 10 lakh, no need to worry. First get the offer of 15, 16, 17. Okay. If you get another counter offer, well and good, get it matched. If not counter offer, work for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, learn the things, and then make the again switch. So definitely you will able to reach, and I can give you the guarantee everyone can reach to 30 lakh or 40 lakh package. But how faster, that's little bit depends. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So it can be 1 year switch. Yeah, you can make every year switch, not a problem. Okay, but you have to make it. Okay, or you have to put the counter offers. That's the only solution. Okay, cool. We have started this batch on 18th August. Okay, around 45 days back. Okay, 45 days back we have started. We are in the middle. Okay, we are very close to complete this part. Okay, what we have, are we learning, guys? I would like to understand one question with you more. Okay, are we learning every day new things? What do you say? Because if we have created this much big syllabus, okay, if you have created this big syllabus, in the first week itself or first 3 days, we have discussed about the overview of the DevOps, right? Means what you have to learn to the DevOps, you are aware about it, correct? After that, we came up and we understood the Linux. Guys, whatever the keyword, any keyword is written here, I have delivered everything. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? Whatever we have written it in this PPT or in this syllabus, we have delivered everything. If anything is not a deliver, you have a full right. You can say, because this keyword networking you have not teach. You have not teach 50 Linux command. I committed 50 Linux command, but how much we have learned? More than that, right? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
Right? Yep. Okay. Or whatever we have written it here, everything we have delivered. Okay. Whatever the services name we have written, whatever the service we have to do, whatever the practicals we have to mention. I have performed all the practicals. See, whatever the practicals is there, I perform every practical in front of you, right? Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes.
Everyone? There's
Yes,
only
sir.
one voice. I don't like it.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? I perform each and every practical, whatever has been planned, every practical. Okay. Plus in the DevOps, whatever the tools are written, we have installed or we have performed the activity with multiple approaches. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Whatever the DevOps tools is not, we have to install into the Ubuntu machine, we have to install into Windows, we have to go with the DevOps prep way, we have to go with the developer approach, we have to go with the end user approach, we have discussed with all. See, one thing is already read. I think we have did installation in the Windows also, correct? Set up the Jenkins on Windows. We did it or not?
Yes, we did.
We did, right? We did, yes. Okay. So I will just make it green. Okay. Cool. And whatever the practicals have written, you are also doing the same practicals. Yes, no?
Yes.
Voice is low.
Yes.
No, no. Guys, everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. And whatever the practicals in the Docker, Ansible, Terraform, whatever is mentioned, whatever plan, we have did it, right? And the very interesting day, day 45. What we have learned from this in the day 45? What we have learned?
Lambda migration.
Lambda, we have understood the very high level on the Lambda. Okay, we have understand on a very high level on the migration as well. And yes, Azure DevOps also one of the topic is coming up. We are going to discuss that also in the today evening. Okay, cool. And even Splunk, even we did the Splunk also, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Because see, I feel that
Yes.
Splunk is also important, right? Splunk, AWS Lambda, Azure DevOps, and migration. Out of 5, we have completed the 4. We are going to complete the 4. Azure DevOps is still pending, but we are going to complete the 4. This was not yet committed, right? But something extra we would like to give it. Okay, cool. Even in the yesterday's also shell script. Guys, how was the shell script class? Yesterday's class also. How it was? Able to understand?
Yes, it is clear.
Yes.
Right? Earlier scripting was very tough, correct? Have you feel like that? Because some people are telling that writing a command into the sheet is not possible as a shell script, right? But we proved it. I'm not getting any voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay. And same way, we will learn the Python also in the tomorrow class. Okay. So whatever is written, I will deliver everything. Okay. We have 3 more projects, 2 more projects, 3 more projects are there. 1 project we have already done it. Okay. If you want a revision, you can let me know. We will do the revision also because this project number 2, microservice based deployment, we have did it with the help of Kubernetes itself. When we learned the Kubernetes, when we completed the Kubernetes, we have already did that. Okay. This is the project 2. Okay, create a 3-node GKE cluster and understand the microservice and deploy it. On the day for 35, we have already did. But if you want, we can do it again also. Okay, it will be a good revision for you. Okay, and we are going to provide you 2 more projects in the upcoming days. Okay, the first project is a CI/CD where the dependency of Git, Java, Spring Boot, as well as Docker will be required. With the help of this technology, whatever we have learned in the last 30, 45 days, okay, we will combine everything and we will create a project. Okay, means day after tomorrow class we are going to do it. Okay, as well as in this project number 3, 40 AWS services we are going to learn. Okay, means whatever the services we have learned in our previous last 1 month, okay, we are going to combine everything and we are going to use in a single project. So dependency means you have to be aware whatever the services names are written, at least you have to be aware about it. Okay, then only it will be very, very good or easy to digestible. Yes, are you aware about this all services, right? Yes or no? Whatever is written here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
everyone, right? Everyone, right?
Yes.
Good. Now the time came. We have learned 111 services manually and automatically with the help of Terraform and Ansible. We will combine everything and we will create a project. Okay, in the day after tomorrow class. Cool. And every Wednesday, the mock interviews are happening. Yes, no.
Yes, yes.
Right? Cool. Okay. Some people has given 6, 6, 7 interviews as well, and their confidence is really very good. Okay. And if they will sit for 1 or 2 interviews only, they will able to crack the job. That's it. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Chalo, let's come. Guys, we are on the right track. What you say?
Yes.
Only 1 yes. No, I don't like it.
Yes, sir.
2,
Yes.
3. What about others?
Yes, sir.
4.
sir.
What about others? 5,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
7. Okay. Now the question, now the very important question. We will make the offer soon.
Definitely.
Hopefully.
When? Yeah, hopefully. One person is telling hopefully. When? November or December? First, November or December?
Hopefully November.
November only. Okay. If you guys see, I'm telling you again and again, if you are not able to achieve in the December itself, okay, December less interviews will happen so fast. in the November, lot of openings will happen before 15 December. If you will achieve it, well and good. Okay, your notice period will be very good. Okay, if you will not get an offer till 15 December, okay, don't expect that from 15 December to 5 January or 10 January anything will happen. It will not happen. Okay, if you given the 3 rounds, 4 rounds also, okay, the offer may or may not get released. Okay, are you agree? Yes or no? So still we have a 1 month time. Okay, we can go give the 2-3 rounds as well, and offer will come before that also. Okay, cool. And we are also doing the best for that. Cool. That's it. Okay. Simple guys. First learn and then remove L. Okay. You have already learned the things. Okay. Now the time came to remove the L. Please remove the L and the time came for the earning. Simple. Okay. Chalo, let's quickly recap the last 50 days, whatever we have learned it. Okay. Now over to you. Before that, can you guys speak up 1 or 2 line how exactly the sessions was and everything? 2 lines, and then I will hand over this session to you completely. Please. Please go ahead.
Yes, the sessions were very interactive, and whatever was promised was delivered, and extra was delivered actually. Not only what was promised, it was the extra things that were delivered. And also the best part was taking mock interviews and letting us get confidence. So that was the thing that I really liked a lot. So that's why I attended many mock interviews.
I know you are, see, Abhishek, you have attended 5 to 6, right?
Yes. So
Right?
that's one thing that I really like. And whatever the examples or the classes might be, it's very interactive. You're not just focused on delivering or completing the syllabus, you're also focused on making people understand, so that each and every person, you ask each and every person if they have understood or not. So that is really good sign of being a good mentor, is what I can say.
Thank you.
So I would really like to thank you for that.
Thank you, Abhishek. Now, how you will overcome this with the help of offer. Okay.
Hopefully, sir. Hopefully.
Okay, guys, Abhishek is given 5 to 6 interviews. If any of the referral in your company also, you can refer him. Really, he will able to crack it in the 1 or 2 round only. Okay, that's it. Cool. What about others? Yep. Anyone want to say anything? Yuvraj, Amit, Rutal.
Yeah, Sir Prashant this side.
Jan, come up with the
Yeah, I
camera
want
now.
to
Why
do-
not with camera?
Yeah. So, yes,
Yep.
sir.
Yeah,
Am
yeah.
I busy?
Yeah, you're
So
right.
I would like to thank you, sir, for making me from zero to where I am today. And
Okay.
I was like zero before coming here, as I'm not from the like infra side or something. But yes, from beginning, from the scratch, from the low level to the DevOps part and high level, I learned lots of things. I'm still learning, but yeah, this is a good platform, and the way of teaching, it's awesome, sir. I tried so many platform, YouTube, Wikipedia, and lots of things, sir, but it did not help me to learning those things. I just gone there and gone through this, and just as I I skip that things. And but yeah, I don't know, like now I will appreciate you, sir, the way of teaching and whatever I learned. Thank you for that, sir. Thank you
Hey,
for this.
thanks, Prashad. Thanks for the speak up. Okay, because I also agree with this point, because if we learn the things with the help of YouTube, okay, the consistency may not come, or how the problem will get solved, right?
Yes, sir.
Even I agree with this point. And see, is that possible that within 30 days or within 50 days you will achieve? Because we are taking the regular classes, right? If you miss the topic, let's assume you take 2 days leave, the syllabus is like the module wise. Okay. If you miss the module, that's okay. You can continue with the next module as well. Right? Agree? And yes,
Right.
you can revise also if you feel that you want to revise again. Yes, free of course, you can revise the next batch completely. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yep. Next person. Anyone want to say anything else? Yes. Anyone? Rutal, you are not speaking. Abhishek, Arun, Yuvraj.
Yeah, Vikas. So I just want to say, like I had learned DevOps in a lot better way in these sessions, and I really liked one thing. Like for every thing, we used to have practicals, and you used to take us all along with you like used to confirm if we all were performing, and if at
Yeah.
any point we felt like if we were stuck, so you're always there to guide us and help us and mentor in a really helpful manner. So that was one of the most important and helpful things that I felt.
Rutal, we started this do the practical with me. Okay.
Yeah, right.
From the last two batches only. Okay. Before that, I was doing the practical and I observed that some students are not at all doing. Okay.
Yeah.
We can't force it, right? But some people are
Right.
not at all doing. So what I observe, okay, let's be little bit slow. Okay. Let's take the
Yes,
theory
right.
part in the starting first 20 minutes and then after that completely a practical day. Okay.
Right,
And give
right.
enough time. Okay. See, if I'm taking 2 minutes time, so you also require 2.5 minute time. That's it. Okay.
Yes,
And I'm
right.
providing that enough time so that everyone can able to do it. And it's like see, Rutal is able to do it. Why one other person is not able to do it, right? Because everyone is
Right.
copy pasting the same code, right?
Yeah,
It's not like I'm not telling you to write the code. I'm telling you to copy paste the command.
right.
Right.
Yes.
Right. That's good. Okay. And Rutal, if you feel any other betterments kind of thing, you can suggest, please. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Like for now, I think everything was just perfect and it was all helpful for me. Yeah.
Because it's the best 36. Okay. Yep.
Right.
Thank you. Yep. Anyone else want to come?
Yeah, because I would like to say hello.
Where are you? Where are you, Pawan? I'm not able to see you. Yeah, Pawan. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, the classes are very good, and you are also very good person. And the way you take the classes and
Pawan, you
I
are
mean,
not coming to the camera. Please come up with the camera now, please.
actually, I just woke up. Actually, sorry for being late.
Chalo, okay. No worries. No worries. Chalo, continue.
I can come for 1 or 2 minutes, but not
That's
for.
okay. That's okay. You can continue. No worries. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's okay. Yeah. Continue.
So I would say that the way you take the classes and you go with the students, you go with the flow. It's very good, and the mm, the learning is very good in your classes, and you take the mock interviews. Also, you go extra mile. I whatever you promise, you go more than that. You deliver more than that. So it's very good thing, and so overall it's excellent, more than good.
Thank you. Thanks, Pawan. Pawan, just I want to see, as you are an experienced person, so we are making the balance, experienced person, and if anyone 2 year, 1 year fresher also sitting, so everyone will be learning, right? It's not like that experienced person feel that, okay, I have a 15 years experience, just an example, and I'm not learning anything. It's not like that, right?
No, it's not like everyone. See, freshers are learning more. You
Obviously.
know already,
Correct.
already,
An
and
experienced person
experienced
can able
person
to go more beyond that,
more.
right?
Yeah, yeah. So sometime experienced person also have some gaps.
Ah,
Might be they have not that particular things. So
correct.
they are also learning from your classes. So everyone is benefiting,
I
whether
agree.
it's experience, whether it's
I
fresher.
agree. I agree. See, if
Yeah.
you are coming to these classes, means you are a fresher into the DevOps, right? Cloud or DevOps part,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, might be fresher or might have less knowledge,
Basic
not
knowledge.
all the knowledge. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Only the theoretical knowledge you may get from the YouTube or from the
Yeah.
project like that, right?
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
absolutely agree, Pawan. Good, good. Thank you. Yep. Anyone
Yeah.
else? Pawan, you have a 2, 3 presentations, okay?
Yeah, sure, sure.
And I already told that you are going to take the Azure DevOps because you are working into the real time into the Azure DevOps, okay?
Azure DevOps, I think we
Evening,
talked for evening
evening.
today.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
evening.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, rest of them I will take now.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep. What about others?
Yeah.
Anyone
Yeah,
else?
this side Sagar.
Yes, I got.
It's hi. It's very knowledgeable session always. Whenever it's like to I am not a completely background of the development part and the I am the you can say the implementation part, last part where the IT field is there. So I don't know lots of the you can say that applications that you told software that you teach us just like AWS, GCP, and Kubernetes, Docker. I don't know about that. I am the zero knowledge. But when you teach practically, I'm doing that practical. I am having the confidence. See, I can do it. That's the teaching because I am on the you can say the edutech background, and I saw lots of the trainer what they are, how they are delivering their content, and you can say that the training part. But when you teach and practically that happening on day-to-day basis, you say that hands-on practice immediately. So that's the thing, and you're enforcing all the person that it's importance to you have to do the practical on day-to-day basis, and you put it that you can say that link on the Google sheet that you have to do practicals on this manner. So that is the things that you it's like teaching a student also, colleagues way also, friend way also, all the things that you included on your trainings, and what you promised that you had delivered, and more than that, that's the most important part on that.
Sagar, yeah, that's matters because see, if I promised anything, definitely I have to deliver it, right? Because I'm
Yeah,
not for the one day, or we are not here for the one day, right? We have made the
correct.
community of 50,000 members, and it's not a small thing. It's my 10 years work. Because of the 10 years, the 50,000 reach, right?
Right.
And see that the thing is 50,000 technical members. It's not a memes and all these things, right? People like it and go. Correct.
Yes, 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 yes,
And
yes,
it's a
yes,
connection.
yes,
Okay. So thank you.
yes,
That Sagar, on the very first day when we talk it, right? I told you are experienced person, but yeah, I will deliver that also. Correct?
correct.
Cool. Thank you. Thanks, Sagar. Yep. Guys, anyone else want to say anything? Anyone?
Arun here, sir.
Hi, Arun, go ahead.
Yeah, sir.
You never came for the mock interview. Sorry.
One time came, sir, network problem issue and webcam issue.
Now, okay. Now webcam is okay. Okay. You are sitting properly. You means you are okay for the interview as well. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, teaching and practical doing all are excellent, sir. Apart from that, the time punctuality is there. Your time punctuality is super, sir. I never see. Sometime we fail to attend 8 o'clock, but exact 8 o'clock your class will start. And we are
I will
freshers.
tell you, if I will not start at 8 now, if I will start at 8 2, student will come at 4, right? If I will start at 8 5, student will come at 8 10. Right?
Yes.
Agree? So I have to start at 8 a.m. So the and we will put the discussions, just 2 minute, 3 minute discussion in the starting.
Yeah, that's a time punctuality super. And yeah, fresher level and experience level the matching, sir. That is super. We are fresher. We are also learned the same level from experienced persons. And whatever promise you delivered is super, sir.
Arun, I will tell you, whatever the experience package now, you can get it. Okay, because we learn the same thing. Guys, are you agree? Are
We
you
also
agree?
improve communication, sir.
See,
Apart,
communication is okay. See, communication, so you can practice. Okay, you can speak up into the class also. Okay,
yeah,
but technically, you all are on the same level, right? So if experienced person is going to ask 30 lakh package, 20 lakh package, 30, whatever it is, even fresher also can go and ask that package. Because in my last batch, I can say that in the last batch, one of the fresher, 1 year experienced person, he was he was very means I need a package, sir. Simple. I told you will get a package. Okay. He was telling that, sir, I was having a 6 lakh package. Okay. How much it will be? I told you will get 8 to 10 lakh. Okay. He told, because is that possible? I can get more than 15. I told no, not possible. Okay. Not possible. Okay. Then we talked 1 or 2 times. Okay. He told that I can do it. I can do it. I told, okay, if you have that much confidence, you can do it. Come to my classes. I will teach you the thing. Go. He went for one interview, 2 3 interviews. He reached for 8 lakh package. He told, because I need more. I told, go and give 2 more interviews. Okay. He get a 15 LPA. Okay. Then also he was not satisfied. He told, because can I go and give some more interviews, because he has a notice period of 90 days. Okay. He given 2 more rounds, and he got an offer of 18, but he joined as a 15, because when we concluded 15 wala package is much more better in the technology wise. So he joined in 15, and he was very, very satisfied. That is last batch happened. Cool.
that's it,
I
awesome.
I want to say one thing, because practice
Come
is
on.
super important. Able to hear me now? Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Practice super important, because even guys, I not joined the session from day 0, day 1. I joined, I think this is my 6th or 7th session.
Correct.
Okay. So practice is super important. Even I'm struggling with, I have no time to do that even. So I'm still struggling for it. Okay. Yeah. Practice is super important, and try to, because I'm taking day and night interviews. Okay. For my projects. Okay.
I agree. I agree.
Just better not to Google it out. Try to remember and try to learn out it, because if you're going for Amazon or Google or nobody will allow you to open Google or Wikipedia or Chat GPT.
Agree.
Practice is super important. Even that's why do the practice. That's my words. I'm coming back into technical. I'm not into technical. Okay, guys. So I'm into infra. Okay, I'm handling big teams in infra. So I'm slowly moving it, spreading my wings into DevOps. That's my first plan. I talked to Vikas about my plan.
Correct,
Okay.
correct.
So this is my
See,
first
guys,
step to do
Manish,
that.
Manish joined last 10 days back only, within 10 days back, right? And he's very active also. He's also learning. I also committed that, yes, whatever is your previous, I will help you out with the DevOps as well. Agree, Parmit, right? Right. And see, the thing is, you're not able to do because your setup is not ready, right? You don't have the AWS account, maybe, right? I'm not sure, but yeah,
I already created everything.
well and good, well and good. So you have to, okay? Just spend
I
with
already created everything. Everything is ready with the same username and password. Everything is ready.
Great. Okay. Means from tomorrow onwards, you will able to do it. Okay. Tomorrow I will help you out, guys, how to install the Python, everything, whatever I can give one more good commitment. Whatever you are not able to learn the Python in 1 year now, I will teach in the 2 hours. That's it. Cool.
And if you do it good, because a couple of my reportees are good into hyper automation, and you can't believe that cloud, they are getting more than 50 lakhs of package. I was in India a couple of days back. I met one employee, 50 lakh package. He's in Zenser. So
Possible. It is possible. But some people
easily
are not
possible. Yeah,
trusting. Some people are
practice
not.
is important.
Practice is
Practice is
important.
important. Yeah,
Correct.
I'm telling
Means-
you upfront because I met many people. There's 60, 70 lakhs is very common in India nowadays. If Google it out, check out LinkedIn. Experience is required, but yeah, you
But
can
see,
easily get
but
that
Amit,
figure.
I would like to defend one point here. Some people who are
Mhm.
sitting in 20 lakh, 30 lakh, they feel that I'm on very high package. Okay.
नहीं
But
है,
guys,
कुछ नहीं है वो आज,
but the
कुछ भी
reality
नहीं
is
है, 20
it's not very high. Okay.
नहीं
Don't
है.
feel that. Because see, when I talk with some people now, because I'm sitting in 25 package, it's very high. It's very difficult to go beyond it. No, if you will upgrade yourself, you can make again a switch of 100% hike. And that already did by so many people in my group, in my community, in my batches itself. Okay.
Yeah,
And guys, trust
true.
me, it happens. Right?
Even my report is even those are having more than 30, 40 lakhs package. Those are
Possible.
there in there.
Possible. See, whenever any junior came, he will come with the higher package only. Okay.
True. Agree.
Right? Agree. Yep.
Same expectation from my side as well.
What expectation? What you're telling?
Same expectation like 30 or 30 plus. I am also requesting
Practice
that.
is important, bhai. Whosoever is talking, I'm not able to see, but practice is super important.
Practice
This
Ravi.
is my keyword. This is my keywords, yeah. Even I'm like you only in DevOps.
Correct.
बाकी की चिंता, बाकी मैं कुछ नहीं, बाकी मैं पीछे छोड़ दूंगा, लेकिन DevOps में I'm times 0. So
Agree.
because the command what Vikas was telling yesterday, I used to do such practice. I done Sun Solace long back. Okay,
See,
Sun
the
Solace.
experienced
So
people has this problem, right? I did it, I know it, but I never implement. I never did into the
yeah,
real time,
true.
right? And I'm
Yep.
giving to the platform, do it into the real time here itself. Don't do it
Yep,
after
yep.
class. In the class itself, I will give.
Yeah.
See, in the class you can copy paste. After the class you can type it. That's okay. But in the class you can copy paste at least. Okay. Cool.
Agree.
Anyone else? Anyone want to say? Thanks, Amit.
I'm
Thanks
going
for
to
the
join.
invite.
I'm going to join 37. Let's see how it goes.
Obviously, that is obviously okay. You join. See, you enroll for the batch 37 only. This is just I told you that you are an experienced person. Come for batch 36. See how the
Yep.
things going on. Because see, when I told, see, Amit, you understood my word that come to batch 36. But when I told to some people now, because it's in middle, I will not able to understand. Arey, buddy,
No.
you will able to understand. Come, please.
It's not the case. This
Correct.
is every time because I extend my every day for this. This is 8:30 p.m. my time, and I usually start my day at 5 o'clock in the morning. So my every call is 6 o'clock in the morning. So that happens. Yeah.
See,
Extend करना पड़ता है.
in
We
the
have no
batch
options.
32, in the batch 32, 8 Nigerian peoples are there. Okay, they are sitting at 2 a.m. in the night for my class. Okay, and in the batch 35, 8 to 9 Amazon people are there. Amazon students. Okay, not student man, Amazon employees are there. Okay,
Wow.
and they are also doing the same. They are into the night shift, they are into different shift, and they are doing it. And even that's why we keep it 2 batches. Okay, you can come for 1 batch. Okay, if you feel that by any reason you missed it by shift or whatever it is, you can come to the next batch also.
Even if I get something, I work for Indian company, okay, but I'm not in India at this point of time. If I found any opportunity, I'll paste on this chat. Even I can refer it out, okay? Refer
See,
you
yeah,
guys.
guys, see, you can go to another country and Amit can come to India, right? That is also possible.
I don't want to come back to India यार क्यों खर्च क्यों तुम
अच्छा चलो Amit will
रहना
take
चाह
you.
रहे
अरे Amit will take you in other country, okay?
ऐसा मत करो यार तुम
But
मेरे
Amit,
को
see,
वापस मत बुलाओ
Amit, chalo, chalo, we will talk after that. Okay, if you get a double, whatever the package you are getting in another country, if you will get in India, then
नहीं मिल सकता
चलो ठीक है, चलो छोड़ो, ignore, चलो ignore. Okay, कभी 1-to-1 बात करेंगे, अभी नहीं. Okay, चलो. Guys, anyone else want to say anything?
Hi, Vikas.
Yeah, go ahead. Morning. Yeah, morning.
I'm
Madhu.
a bit late. So
Yeah. Go ahead, Madhu. Madhu, come up with the camera now, please. Achha, you are on camera. Okay.
the
Go ahead,
session
bro.
was very good. Basically, I was it off for one of the client from India. First time I came up with the camera, and it was very good session. Because so far I just wanted to say many times, but today I got that opportunity, and so far it was going good. Even if I missed the class, I
So for
used to
me, it's
go to
already in
office
the
and
last. It's 90% done.
yeah. So I used to go to office and I used to just recap what I was done in the morning if I missed the class. But from past 15 days, it is hectic.
50.
We are doing
Acha,
1-5.
okay.
So migration is going on. It takes usually 8 to 10 hours. Application and DB migration. I
Correct.
am not able to concentrate.
It's okay.
Even Siraj is from same company. Like we both are colleagues. So he is also
See,
busy.
one more new thing came, right? Some colleagues are also there. See, guys, in my
Yeah.
batches, there are possible. I will tell you. Um, I don't want to take the company name. Okay, that's not good. Okay, but I have 7 leads in the 4 projects. Okay, in one of the company.
Yeah.
One of the company.
Right. So we were discussing like today when we go to office, we have missed a few things. We'll just recap because today the work load is a bit less. So we'll use that time to at least recap these things because the continuity is gone now for from past 7 days.
Okay, no problem.
So we are planning that and we will try to complete it as soon as possible. And we are planning to do some certificates also. Everything is in plan, but we need to buy some
Make a
time.
end date, okay? Make a target
Yeah,
date. You have
yeah,
to make a end date, okay? If there
yeah,
is no
right,
end date, it will never achieve,
correct.
okay? So make a end date that on this date you have to complete it. If not, it's okay. We will change it to next 10 days, okay? But
Correct,
make
correct.
a end date, okay? I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
give you the date, guys. If you want, I will give you 25th or 23rd of December. Make a
Mhm.
date, okay? Because
Okay.
that time less work will be there, okay? Or
Mm.
27th or 28th of December, less work will be there, leaves will be there, and you can able to achieve it. Freezing time, none of the extra work, new work will happen, and you can write the certificate in this time, and you will get a 1 month time from now. I'm telling you,
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
because
So
you
most
will
of the
not say
time
that
I
you will not
correct.
say that okay in the because I can't write because it's a 1 month of the time you can write it.
Right. It. And we are also plan to take the screenshots of what the PPTs and make a booklet kind of thing to just revise it whenever get time. Those things and all we have prepared already.
Possible,
Only thing is
that
we want to execute it.
that
possible.
is called coffee shots, kind of coffee shots.
Yeah, because I every time you can't go back to the video and take the particular topic and can't learn it. So if it is in
I will.
pages, I can just
Madhu, from this
revise.
point, I know I went for one of the corporate training. Okay.
Okay.
And in the corporate training, one was my student. Okay.
Okay.
And he know me and he was sitting with 4-5 group and he told him, see, I did the course. I know all these things. I know all these things. Like
Okay.
that. And he was a
Same
colleague
thing.
and I was a corporate trainer that time. Okay. And in
Okay.
the lunch we meet. Okay.
Uh,
Because about you, I already told to lot of his candidates, they are
uh,
coming to your batch. And I told, no, man, don't tell all these things in front of everyone.
that happens.
It happens, okay? Because see,
Yeah, correct.
sometimes see, I know students share the notes to your friends also, right? It happens,
Uh,
okay?
correct,
Because
correct.
they did it, so it happens and it moves everywhere.
Correct.
Even
And
even
in the operation, current project in the operations, there are multiple teams has been handled. Like infrastructure automation will be done by some different team, and
Okay,
development will be done by different team. We need to coordinate with everyone for getting the work done and understanding what they are doing. But we will not be rotated among these teams. Basically, that's
okay,
how corporate works. Like I can't do everything in the
correct.
same
Practically,
project
correct.
practically. So infra thing, all those things will do it, but Terraform, all those things will be done by some other team as well.
See,
So
whatever
it was not, there was no continuity. Like we were trying to understand like how things working here, but after joining this class, we were able to at least figure out like what is the jobs doing and where is this Jenkins going and where is this .ps file they have located, and all those things we were able to communicate, and we are confident like okay, this is how the DevOps works. Azure DevOps basically
correct,
this is how it works, and the jobs are created and they have created this task and it will run according to that. That confidence we have now, and I'm sure like maybe December is the time for preparation, and January we are trying to crack some interviews.
fine, fine,
So that is the plan. So
definitely.
basically, this helped me to understand like what is the connectivity from all these Jenkins, Maven, how they are using and
See,
where
in
it is.
your maybe in your project, because some people who has experience, maybe in your project they have seen all these things, but they don't know how to combine, where to combine, what to combine, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is what we did it here, right?
Correct. If you know about those things, at least you can explain to the interviewer like this is what in my company. Even if you are not put your hands into that, you can just tell them like this is how it works, because you know like that the
Correct.
flow. That is
Correct.
the flow. Anyways, everywhere there's the same flow. You can make use of that. So that way it is very helpful. Thanks for that, Vikas. I
Thank
just
you.
want
Thanks,
to
Madhu.
say
Thanks for your words. Okay.
yeah.
Thanks for your colleague who refer you or how you make a team. Okay. That's good.
Yeah,
So
even I will
someone,
refer. A few of them will be asking me like, I want to learn DevOps. I don't have time. I have prepared so many lists, and I'm not having time and all. But
correct,
I told the same thing. Even I did the same. But time is important. So if I join to something, you will be punctual and you will be able to go and attend the time at least for the particular time, like 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock. At least
correct,
you will see, okay, there is some class today like that.
correct,
If
correct.
you are want to learn by your own, that is excuses you will be giving.
See,
Okay,
I will
tomorrow
take
I will
my
see.
story, not your. I will take my story. I have a lot of things in my bucket to learn it. Okay.
Uh,
But it's not happen because if we are not consistent or if you are not doing on a particular time, it will never happen. Okay.
Correct.
It's not
No,
your story,
no.
it's everyone's story.
And few of them, what I observed is they were eager to learn, but they don't know like from where to start exactly.
Okay.
That is
प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम है जब पैसा देते हो तभी दर्द होता है.
हाँ, correct.
वही
Agree.
तो
You will come to the class. See, I will tell
100%.
guys, I will tell you if I will take
That's
free
true.
session now, if I will take the free sessions also now, people will not come on time for sure. I realized that. I
Yeah.
started the 8 p.m. batch free of cost. Okay.
Okay.
One person is
पैसा
coming.
दोगे, जब
So
जेब से
then
पैसा आएगा
on,
तभी दर्द होता है, नहीं
correct.
तो ऐसे
Then only
दर्द
you will
नहीं
come.
होता.
Then only you will come to the class also, right?
Yes,
Because
yes,
some,
yes. This is correct actually. If we are paying, then only we are punctual or we are attending on time, all these things. And if we are
आप
not
कुछ
paying,
भी
then
करोगे,
it's like
अरे
कुछ
देखो
भी
आप कुछ
करोगे
भी
YouTube,
करोगे,
I
आप क्लास में जरूर
आप
आओगे.
सीखोगे या
correct,
क्लास
correct. See,
करोगे
हाँ,
सीखोगे, you will try something from
अरे
your
YouTube पे
side.
everything is there. Okay, I will
Yes,
show
yeah,
my
yes.
true.
video. Okay, everything is there. My if I will put my videos also, I will show. I will share my screen and I will show you. I'm putting my videos on YouTube also. Okay, see the reality.
नहीं आते उसके ऊपर,
नहीं
कोई
आते,
कोई नहीं
नहीं
आएगा.
see, views. I will tell you the
आप you
views. Okay,
can't
see.
believe that out. I'm a real time example. मैंने LinkedIn learning का लिया हुआ. I paid 11,000 rupees
Correct.
for any year. अभी
Agree.
भी literally कई open है. When I see that, अब छोड़ो ना यार, क्या
बस वो
करेंगे. So
सब
this
स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं पर फिनिश कभी नहीं किया है. करेक्ट. सी आई विल शो यू. सी इन द डे 1 15K views are there. Correct. After
Yes.
that 364 done. Happy हो गया.
ऐसे दोगे
Right?
तभी दर्द होता है. That's
करेक्ट.
why I
अब
use
देखो
that
सी यू
layman
रीच
language.
यू रीच टू डे 45. देखो हम लोग ने बहुत वीडियो डाले हैं, राइट, बट नहीं देखते. पीपल विल नॉट वॉच इट. उनको लगता है कि यार हो गया बस, हे ना रखें, देख लेंगे, आराम से देख लेंगे, वी विल वॉच इट आफ्टर
Yeah,
1
true,
मंथ, आफ्टर
true,
15
true,
डेज.
true, true.
वो ऐसे ही होता है.
That's
मतलब ये देख लो, स्टोरी यही होती है, यहीं पे खत्म हो जाती है. डे 1 तो
बस.
सबको चाहिए, उसके बाद आगे नहीं बढ़ते.
हाँ, मैंने बिल्कुल तभी
They
लेमन में बताया.
correct. They will
That's
get some
actual story.
फेस्टिवल वीकेंड, उसमें खो जाएंगे सब लोग.
करेक्ट
कुछ
करेक्ट.
नहीं, बाद में कंटिन्यू नहीं होगा वो.
कंटिन्यू नहीं होता है, रियलिटी.
That's why I paid that money कि भैया पैसे दूंगा तभी दर्द होगा, तभी पढ़ूंगा, नहीं तो फ्री में पढ़ाई नहीं होती कभी भी.
एग्री,
सब कुछ
आई
हुआ
एग्री.
तो भी सराउंडिंग में कुछ नहीं होता है.
बट सी
पैसे नहीं.
वट एवर यू आर पेइंग उसका मैं डबल वर्थ से ज्यादा दे रहा हूँ, राइट? आर यू एग्री, राइट?
Yeah,
Because some
I'll
people
get it, don't worry. I have faith. Don't worry.
okay, चलो done. Okay, anyone else? Guys, good. अच्छा लगता है, right? We liked
One
it,
more
right?
tip. One more tip, okay? Make a batch, internal batch, and do a practice. I'll do that way. That's my way, okay?
Correct.
Whosoever is the same experience, make a batch, internal batch, 2, 3, Okay, that will give you a good experience, and you can make a good infra internally even. Okay, just say if I'm time work.
Amit, we are doing that. Okay, sometime yesterday
Very good.
also 8 p.m. session was I took 15 minutes, but Amit, Pawan, and some 2 3 Ashwini, they will discuss for. Let them discuss whatever they want. So
Yeah,
be
that's a
open. See,
good practice.
sometimes
We'll
I will
start
just
that one.
open this time. Okay, means I will take means 5 sessions. I will open for you. Okay, it can be your time. Okay, it's not my time. It's your time. Where means in the next week, not immediately. After next week, okay, I will open some sessions for you. Okay, I will give the dates, or I will put a poll. Okay, wherever you are time, whoever is available, whatever the topic you want to discuss, just discuss it, or give the reverse KT kind of thing that I learned this, I explore this, let's do this. That's it. Okay, it will be very, very helpful for you. At least your camera setup will start, mic will get work, and everything will set up, right? Because that's the first step to sit into the interview. Right. And if you want to test it, you will test with your friends and all the thing, not never works. Okay. If you will test it to your colleagues, it will be helpful. And he will give you the real feedback that your mic is not good, your camera is not good, like that.
Correct.
Thank you. Anyone else want to come into the picture? Want to say anything? Guys, fast. One more last person. Anyone? No? Okay, cool. Look, I'm sharing my screen, guys. Okay. We are here. We did a lot of recap for the last 50 days. Okay. What we did. Okay. Now the technical things also we have to discuss. Okay. So I would like to hand over this session to the Abhishek. Abhishek, you are here? Abhishek,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Abhishek, now it's your turn. You can share a screen. I will give you the screen access. Okay. So that you can share your screen and you can present in front of everyone that what exactly you would like to explain about the DevOps roles and responsibility. Okay. First
Okay.
question, when we go for the interview, guys, first question will come your introduction. Second or third question may come, what's the DevOps roles and responsibility you are handling and what is the day-to-day task you are handling. So Abhishek is prepared for this and let's continue. Abhishek, you can continue. Share your screen.
Sure, sir.
I'm allowing you to share this.
Okay. Let me know if
Yeah, we are able to see your screen. You can continue.
just a minute. Yeah. So hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Abhishek and I'll be presenting a presentation on what is DevOps and what are the day-to-day activities of a DevOps engineer. So starting, let's get into introduction. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is DevOps? We all know that DevOps is all about bringing development and operation together. It's also about creating a culture where we are focused on collaboration, continuous improvement, and delivering better products faster. So the agenda will be overview of DevOps philosophy, importance of DevOps, integration of development and operation teams, and improvement of collaboration and productivity. So moving on, let us understand what are the key principles of DevOps. So first, there's collaboration. DevOps doesn't work without everyone on the same page, from developers to operations to quality analysts. Then we have automation, which helps us speed things up and reduce human error. And also next will be continuous integration and deployment, or as we all call CI/CD. We are able to deploy faster without sacrificing any quality as per se. Coming to the next, that is monitoring and logging, keeps us proactive by letting us see what's happening in real time. Finally, its infrastructure as a code, or IAC, allows us to manage, create, deploy infrastructure on the go. Moving on, let us understand what are the roles in a DevOps team. So starting is DevOps engineer. In DevOps team, every role has its own unique contribution, but everyone's working towards the same goal. The DevOps engineer is like automation orchestra, managing CI/CD pipelines and keeping systems reliable. The site reliability engineer, or SRE, focuses more on making sure everything is up, performs well, and the infrastructure is always up and running. Coming to release managers, make sure deployments that we do using CI/CD happen smoothly without compromising on quality. And coming to automation architects, they design the frameworks that free us from repetitive tasks. Coming to security engineer, as we all know, security in today's world is very important. So we need security engineers to build the security in and around our frameworks, our CI/CD pipelines, our deployments, etc. For that reason, we have a security engineers. Moving on, let us understand what are DevOps engineers' responsibilities and what they have using which they have to carry each and every day. So DevOps engineers' day is anything but predictable. They're managing CI/CD pipeline to automate testing and deployment, which makes things faster and safer. They're also handling infrastructure, often with tools like Terraform or Ansible, to ensure systems are always organized and scalable. Monitoring, as we all know, monitoring is a big part currently in our day-to-day because it's better to catch issues before users do. And the security is always top of the mind, and there's constant collaboration with other teams. And yeah, so moving on, let us understand what is daily activities of a DevOps engineer. Yeah. So it starts with code integration, merging changes from different developers to make sure everything works together. Then we have infrastructure provisioning, setting up servers, configuring cloud resources. Then comes monitoring system, which is a must. So they're catching issues before we have any huge impact or if the production is down in such scenarios. Yeah, I mean, to avoid such scenarios. So automating tasks, we all know we do not like to perform manual tasks on day-to-day basis. So in order to automate these repetitive tasks, we have DevOps engineer, or that is a responsibility or an activity of a DevOps engineer. And the collaboration, as we all know, is a key with daily checkings, team syncs to keep everyone on track. Let us now get a brief overview of how DevOps engineer performs continuous integration and continuous deployment. It all starts at the source stage, that is, committing source code to a version control, that is Git, GitHub, GitLab, etc. This kicks off the build stage where the code is compiled and packaged. Then we enter the test stage where automated tests are run to catch any issues early. Finally, there's deployment, delivering the code to production. This pipeline allow us to continuously integrate and deploy, making our releases faster and safer. And we have monitor to monitor these deployments. Moving on, let us understand briefly about infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code is like actually a game changer. Imagine having to configure every server manually, which is again not a good practice, or it's very time consuming. So with infrastructure as code, we write code to manage infrastructure, with which we get consistency because it is the same across development, production, QA environments, scalability to add or remove resources as and when needed, version control to track changes and to go back to the previous version in case we have any impact on the new releases, and automation to reduce manual effort. Moving on, let us understand a little bit about monitoring and logging. So these are ideally our eyes or ears in DevOps world. Application performance monitoring. Tools like a New Relic help us to understand how our systems are performing in real time. Log management with tools like you can say ELK, that is Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, or Elasticsearch. Fluentd Kibana is also one of the log management tools. And going to alerting, it helps us to notify the issues, and metrics help us to spot trends and improve. It's all about staying proactive. If there is an issue, we want to know about it before it impacts the user. Moving on. automation in DevOps. Automation is what we can say is a heart of DevOps, and it touches every part of the process. So we have build automation using tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, which automates the build and release processes, making it consistent and repeatable. Deployment automation tools like you can say AWS Code Deploy or Spinnaker, which streamlines the deployment process, enabling quick and reliable releases. Then we have test automation with frameworks like Selenium or JUnit, with which we run or test for the source code. So which we have already seen many a times in our practical sessions. And coming to configure management, we have tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef. Are not widely used. They are currently outdated, but yeah, in few legacy companies, they still use Puppet and Chef for configuration management. Yeah, now let us understand a bit about security in DevOps, because security currently is in trend. So we have security as a code which incorporates policies directly into code base, so that we have consistent security policies across all the environments. Then comes continuous security testing. As we have continuous integration, continuous monitoring, continuous testing, the same way we have continuous security testing as well. And vulnerability management, as we all know, in day-to-day active and day-to-day life, we come across many hackers or exploiters who are consistently looking for vulnerabilities in our source code or in our deployment. So in order to avoid that, we have something called vulnerability management and compliance monitoring, and ensuring compliance with industries so that they meet the standards. So moving on, let us understand DevOps tool chain, or what are the essential tools we use in DevOps practices. First is version control, that we use Git for version controlling. The second is CI/CD. For CI/CD, we use Jenkins mostly in most of the companies. Now there is a trend of GitHub Actions or GitLab CI. Coming to configuration management, Ansible is currently at the pinnacle. Containerization, we all know Docker and Kubernetes holds the most share in the market for containerization. We have other tools like Portainer also, which is upcoming. And monitoring, if we are using Kubernetes in our environment, then yes, Prometheus and Grafana is go-to. And for logging, we have ELK, Splunk, or EFK as well. Now let us understand a little bit about why collaboration and communication is essential. So we all know effective collaboration is backbone of.
Vikas, sorry for interruption. I think there are multiple people, so their time is constant is there, I think.
Correct.
If I am
I
not
agree.
wrong, sorry
You
for.
are absolutely agree. Abhishek, next 3-4 minutes, please. Hana?
Yes.
Next 2-3 minutes, please get it complete. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. But see, your main agenda is primarily what exactly the DevOps roles and responsibility, because that can be one of the interview question. Okay. Because I hope you are prepared for that. Agree? What is your DevOps day-to-day responsibilities? Abhishek?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the day-to-day DevOps activities? You can focus on that part. Okay.
Okay.
Leave it. Yeah, this all companies are adopting the DevOps.
Yeah. So DevOps technologies.
Yes.
So these are the challenges that we face. This cultural shift or tool integration while integrating the tool and all that. Yeah. So we all know what is DevOps and what is the current trend, and these are the future trends like AI, machine learning, serverless computing, GitOps, DevSecOps. Yeah, so that's all I have.
Cool. Hey, Abhishek, it's a very good. Okay.
And
That's good.
thank you.
Okay. Abhishek, see, I'm telling you again and again, now the time you have to go and give the interviews. Okay. You presented every time well. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Go and give the interview. And I'm 100% sure you need only 1 or 2 chances. That's it. And whatever is your current package, I don't know, but it can be double possible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please. Okay. Cool.
Thank
And I want a result in the next 15 or 1 month only. Okay. 15 days or 1 month.
Sure, sir. Thank you very
Please.
much.
Cool. Thank you. Yep. Who is the next person? Guys, Abhishek,
Yeah, my turn is
you
there
presented
now.
very well. Okay. Just just 1 second. Okay. And next person is Pawan. Okay. Pawan, guys, he will take you on a very high level about the Git and GitHub. Okay. As well as Pawan will take you, if with the practical session as well, how to push the code to the GitHub as well from the local machine. Okay.
Yeah.
And next is also Pawan. He will take you about the Git merge as well. Okay. This is the real-time problem which we are facing into the development environment, because DevOps has a development as well as operation side. So yes, we will take care of the development side, and slowly we will move in the next 1 hour. In this next half an hour, we will move into the operation side as well. Cool. Over to you, Pawan.
Yeah.
Pawan, come up with the camera if possible. Please, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yep, Pawan, continue. Pawan, you can continue, please. This is Jenkins PPT. We are able to visible.
You can see, na?
Yep.
PPT.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1 second. I will start from Git.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Myself Pawan, and I am explaining about Git and GitHub. That is source code management tool in the DevOps practices. So this is a introduction to Git. Git is distributed version control system
Pawan,
used
Pawan,
to
your
track
screen
change.
is showing as a Jenkins. Your screen is showing as a Jenkins.
Huh?
You are into the 10th slide. Come to the first slide.
1 second, I will share again.
Share your full screen and come to the first slide. Yes.
Now it's okay.
Yeah, perfect. Yes, good. Continue.
Yeah. So Git is a distributed version control system used to track changes in the code, and its purpose it allows developer to collaborate, track history, and manage code efficiently. It was developed by Linus Torvalds in 2005, and these are some key concept of Git: repository, commit, branch, merge, remote. Then after that, we have the Git workflow, how Git actually works. We have working directory, then we have staging area, we have local repo, then we have remote repo. So these are the steps how we are going to, I mean, how the code or the work is going to staging area. From there, it's going to the remote or GitHub. So these are the steps. These are the commands by which we are going to the code is going to the from the local repo, it's going to the remote repo like GitHub. And here we have Git flow branching models, different branching models, release branch, future branch, hotfix. So these are branching models of in the Git. And here we have some Git commands, basic commands, those we used during the Git when we work on the Git. So Git init, initialize a new Git repository, Git clone, Git add, Git commit -m message, save stage changes, Git push, upload changes to a remote repository, Git pull, fetch and merge update from a remote repository. And this is benefits of using Git. What benefits we are getting? Collaboration. Multiple developers can work simultaneously on a project, and change history. We can easily track and revert changes, and branching, experiment with new features without affecting the main code base. So this is all about the benefits of Git, and this is GitHub. What is GitHub? It's a web-based platform for hosting and managing Git repository. It provides tool for version control, team collaboration, and project management. And why we use GitHub? So these are the some explanation about why we use GitHub. And there are branching strategy in Git, like a feature branching model, protected master branch model, expanded branching model. So these are some strategies. And this is how GitHub flow works. Main, hotfix, release, develop, future. These are the branches strategy in the GitHub. And Git key features of GitHub: repositories, centralized storage and version tracking of code, branch and pull request, issue tracking, and GitHub actions like automate workflow for testing, building, and deployment. And here we have collaboration and project management on GitHub, forking and cloning, fork repository to create personal copy, clone to work locally, code review and discussion, projects and boards, wikis and documentation. Here we have benefits of GitHub: enhanced collaboration, community open source, automated and CI/CD, integration with developer tool. And here we have some repository. That we are pushing from local machine to the GitHub via Git tool. So this is the steps, how this is for some travel app or travel web app, and we are pushing this from local repository to GitHub repository, remote repository. So then after that, we have Git merge overview. Git merge combines changes from one branch into another. It is used to bring feature branches into the main branches after development. Then types of merges: for fast forward merge, three-way merge. These are the type of merge. Here we have merging strategies: recursive rebase before merge, squash and merge commit. And these are the some best practices for merging strategies: keep branches small and focused, pull and rebase regularly, write descriptive commit messages, review code before merging, resolve conflicts early. So this is about Git and GitHub and Git merge. And my next one is Jenkins. So I will explain that one also, Jenkins, in the same, because we have a time constraint, less time we have. So this is about Jenkins and continuous integration CI. Now, what is the purpose of that? Automating build and deployment process by using Jenkins. What is CI/CD configuration? Continuous integration is a development practice where developer frequently integrate code into a shared repository. Each integration can be verified by automated builds and detect the error early. Benefits of CI: early bug detection and improved collaboration, faster development cycle. This is the CI continuous integration flow, how the developers are working, and then build CI tool like Jenkins or some other tools are there. So we are building the application from source code, then run the automated source code. The tests are running. If any problem, then developers are fixing those problems, and if everything is okay, it's going to the the changes are merges with the help of pipeline, and then continuous pipeline, and then it's delivered with the help of CD, and the application is ready for the deployment in that. Jenkins, this is about open source automation server that supports building, deploying, and automating any project. Jenkins is written in Java, and hundreds of plugins are available to integrate for in the development tool. Some key features of this. One second.
That's okay. That's okay. You can make the full screen otherwise. It's okay. Oh, and you can just click on plus. One more. That's it. Or you can click on the nearby button. There is a presentation F5 otherwise. There is a presentation button is there. Yeah, slideshow. Okay, then continue. You can continue. No worries.
So these are key features of Jenkins. pipeline automation. Jenkins pipelines allows you to automate CI/CD workflow, and plugins over 1800 plugins for integration with tools like Git, Docker, Maven, Kubernetes, etc. And distributed builds. Jenkins can distribute builds across multiple machines, improving efficiency, extensibility, support customization, and scripting for complex workflows. This is how continuous integration is working. Multiple developers are working and they are pushing code to the GitHub or some source code SCM. Then after that, it's the trigger is after trigger, it's automatic testing is happening. Then after that, feedback again. So this is how CI process is works. Then after that, Jenkins, we have some Jenkins installation steps on GCP VM. So I have added this one, installation steps of Jenkins on the VM GCP VM machine. How we are installing, like we are creating the GCP VM. Then we are, let's take example of Ubuntu. Then we have to allow the, in the firewall setting, we have to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Then we have to launch the instance. Also we have to make sure that port 80 is allowed on that. And then after that, we are updating the, for installing Java, we are updating the package. Then after that, again installing the Java, then a source repository adding, then adding the keys. Then after that, installing the Jenkins. Then we start the Jenkins service. If it's not enabled, we enable that service. Also we open to check the URL on local machine, we open the 8080 port on the firewall in the GCP VM, and we can unlock the password after that once it's showing some page, and we can find out that password from the VM, GCP VM. So
Initial password we can find out. Yeah.
yeah, initial password. Then after that, we can change from the GUI. Once we are inside Jenkins, we can change the password, we can add the user, whatever we want, we can play that. These are the continuous integration with Jenkins. Some example, multiple developers working, they are pushing code to the Git repository, and just Jenkins Jenkins server is work. As a for the pipeline or automatic builds or triggers. This is in place. Selenium is there for testing, and production server for the deployment. So this is how CI continuous integration is working with Jenkins. Then we have Jenkins architecture, master slave, master agent, master node, slave node agents, workflow, setting up Jenkins profile, build, test, and deploy. This is sample Jenkins file structure. How the file is, Jenkins file is there, like we have build, test, and deploy stage. So all defined in that file, YML file. Jenkins, some popular plugins, Git, Docker, Maven, Gradle, and Slack notification, Kubernetes. So there are a lot of plugin, more than 1800 in the Jenkins. So these are some of those benefits of using Jenkins for CI/CD, automation, scalability, continuous feedback, adaptability. And this is Maven overview. Maven is build automation and project management tool primarily used for Java projects developed by Apache Software Foundation. And by using it, the build process and build process simplified, also dependency management. This tool is used. Key features: dependency management, build automation, build project structure, build plugins. And this is the Maven life cycle, clean life cycle, default life cycle. There are steps in the default life cycle like validate, compile, test, package, install, deploy. And there are few commands, basic commands, those used in day-to-day: Maven clean, MVN clean, MVN compile. So these are some. This is core concept of Maven. A POM file is there. The POM file is the main component in the Maven. So this is how from the local repository to remote repository, the dependency and plugins and profiles are there. So how this the build is happening from local to remote, and from remote to local. Both sides it's possible. And we have some POM file look, minimum POM file. I have taken a small one. So this is how it POM file looks. It's XML file. XML code is there. So this is how it will look. So we have Maven workflow and best practices in that. Yeah, that's it. And apart from that, I have one more day-to-day Jenkins issue.
One second. Guys, whatever the Pawan has explained till now, this concept is going to use in that project one as well. Okay? Means you have to revise it, how the Jenkins work, how the Jenkins installation work, how the setup of Java, means first Java will be there, then only Jenkins installation will work, plus then how the Java application will be get created with the help of Maven. Okay, because we are going to do this again into the practical one as well, project one. Okay, cool. Guys, anyone has any question for Pawan till now? Yes, go ahead. Pawan will be the SME for this all things.
No question, but because the content is super excellent.
Yeah,
Literally,
content is good, but
super good.
I feel that because of time constraint, he's running. Okay.
Yeah. Because of time constraint, I am not
super
explaining more actually.
Correct.
I am
Okay.
making it
Is
short
great,
only.
super great.
Correct. Okay. Chalo. Pawan, just take 5 more minutes and be aram se, okay? Not be hurry. Okay. You can skip the content, but it's okay. Whatever you are delivering, it should be get understood by the candidates. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Continue.
So we have day-to-day Jenkins. Can you see my screen?
We are able to see, yes.
So I have make it simple, but I have written all the day-to-day issue that we are facing in the Jenkins.
Guys, this can also be one of your interview question, okay? Or you can say that as I'm working into the dev part as a DevOps engineer, this all are the day-to-day issues I'm facing it. Okay, this can be your interview answer, please. Yes, Pawan, go ahead.
So the first scenario is when Jenkins fails to start or display errors during startup. So in that case, we can check the Jenkins log in this particular directory, and we can check for any error, or we can check the traces of the logs and verify that Java version is installed properly, installed and configured, and check some port conflict is not there. Also, we have to ensure that file system has sufficient disk space available.
Correct.
And the second scenario is build filler or job execution problems. So in that case, we have to review the console output of field build. Then we are checking the messages, error messages. We are checking the logs and some traces. Then in the other step, we can verify that required plugins and dependencies are installed and those are up to date. And also we are checking job configuration and if any misconfiguration in build steps or parameters. So these things we are checking. Also, we are ensuring that Jenkins agents and slave has the necessary resources and dependencies to execute the job. So this is two scenario. Third one is connectivity issues with Jenkins agents or nodes. Check the network connectivity between the Jenkins master and agent. Verify that the agents are registered and online in the Jenkins master. Also, we are ensuring that the agent security setting, JNLP authentication, is there any error in the JNLP authentication or SSH keys? Restart the Jenkins agent service or the entire Jenkins instance if necessary. The fourth scenario is plugin related problems. Check if the plugins are installed and up to date, or reinstall them if not, if required. Disable or remove conflicting plugins that may cause compatibility issues. Verify that the plugin configuration is correct and matches your requirement. Review the plugin documentation or seek help from the Jenkins. You can write some message in the Jenkins community and for the specific plugin related issues. The fifth scenario is authentication and authorization issues. Check the Jenkins security configuration and ensure that the authentication mechanism is properly set up. Verify that the user accounts and permissions are correctly configured. The next one is ensure that external authentication systems such as LDAP or Active Directory are properly integrated and functioning. The sixth scenario is performance optimization. Monitor system resource, CPU, disk, and these scales the Jenkins environment accordingly. If any scaling is required, we can scale that by checking the performance of the compute resources. Consider using distributed build to offload the workload to multiple agents or nodes and optimize build step and script for better performance. Sometimes scripts and pipelines are very slow, so we have to optimize those things also. Check for any long running or resource intensive build that may impact the overall performance. The seventh scenario is integration issues with version control system like Git or SVN. Verify that the version control system is accessible from the Jenkins environment. Check if necessary credential and permission are set up correctly and accessing the repository. Ensure that Jenkins job configuration specify the correct repository URL branch credential. The next scenario is backup and restore problems. Verify the backup and restore process to ensure that it includes necessary Jenkins data. Check the backup files for any corruption or integrity issue. Test the restore process on the separate environment to ensure that it works as expected. So this is about, I have written simply in this slide, day-to-day Jenkins issue. And apart from that, I have one.
Wait. Pawan,
Okay.
it's enough, too much, okay? And I'm really, guys, I want you to comment, please. The last one thing, okay? Ignore everything. The last one, what Pawan has presented in front of you related to the Jenkins. This can be your pure straightforward interview answer. Yes or no?
And if you will learn three scenario also in from this, that is sufficient in the interview.
Enough, more than
Yeah.
enough. You can write 1 year experience also that in the last 1 year, I faced this 10 problems.
They will be impressed from the Jenkins side.
I'm 100% satisfied. Agree. Guys, what's your
Yes.
comment? Abhishek, Arun, Prashant, please speak up. Arey, हाँ,
Agree, sir.
he will share the slide. No need to worry. See, people are ready to take your slide. Guys, see, yes, see, how you have to impress. See, now, Pawan, I will give you one trick here. Okay, the trick is, you have to redirect your interviewer into the dev or into the Jenkins side. Okay,
Yeah.
because see, now you know you are confident into the Jenkins, right?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
100% sure you spent 2-3 days in creation of this PPTs, understood, speak, and whatever it is, right? But you have a 3 days extra you have spent into the Jenkins, right?
Yeah.
You have to redirect your interviewer to the Jenkins side and definitely say that I faced this problem in the last 2 years and you are the person or your team has fixed this all problems and you are managing the complete Jenkins itself,
Yeah.
right? Good. Okay. And then the secondary part, the Jenkins pipeline and all this thing will come the second part. Okay. You can say I'm handling the CI server with the help of Jenkins.
Yeah.
One of the small project you can say, or one of the big project, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Guys, everyone agree? Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes.
Yep, agree.
Right? Okay. You can listen it again if you missed it. Okay. And Pawan, you have to share the slide. No option. Okay. That slide is really very good.
Yeah, I will say no issue.
Thank you. Yep. So, Pawan, I think I have to park you for the
Yeah,
evening.
just for 2 minutes, I have one more actually
Continue.
OSI model. 1 second.
I don't know. Don't deliver everything in one shot. Okay. Take a small pause and then let other person come and then you can come into the OSI part. Okay. OSI is related to the networking. Cool.
Sure.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Let me share my screen, guys. Okay. I'm sharing my screen and in the screen, the next person, sorry.
Me, sir.
Yeah, you. Okay. Ashwini. Okay. The Ashwini and see, yeah. The next person is after the Pawan. We can come Pawan and then Sagar has to come for the Jenkins install, run the Jenkins server on the Ubuntu. Sagar, you are here?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
here.
Okay, but Ashwini also has something related to Git only. Let
It
Ashwini
will
take.
take less than 5 minutes, sir.
No.
Yeah, sure.
Ashwini, I'm bringing Ashwini into the picture and then Sagar will be your turn. Okay, you can install the Jenkins and you can just show the dummy job. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Thank you. Yeah. Ashwini, come up with the camera, please.
Visible, sir.
Once again. I'm not able to see your screen yet. Guys, what about others? Ashwini, you are able to share your screen?
I'm having a notification that someone else is sharing.
Okay, one second. One second. Ashwini, you can share your screen. Yeah, continue, please. Yeah, Ashwini,
So,
you can
yes,
share
sir,
your
I'm
screen.
sharing. So last half hour we have done so much theory, and right now I'll directly jump to the demo of GitHub and GitHub Action. So sorry for I haven't introduced myself. My name is Ashwani and I work as a cloud engineer at Hodi Media in Jamshedpur. So let's jump into the demo directly. So what I'll do right now that I'm having a portfolio on hosted on GitHub with S3 backup. So this is my GitHub. This is my portfolio hosted on S3, Amazon S3. Okay. So we'll directly go to the portfolio. I'll copy the code, clone the code to my local machine. So the code is now available to my local machine. I directly jump into the editing of code. I'm gonna change some basic thing like here it's written Ashwani Kumar. So I'll add an Ashwani Kumar portfolio. You can see the changes. It's written over here. Okay. I'll just save this and I'll commit this.
So this is in some Amazon EC2 instance on your local machine, Linux or Ubuntu, which machine you have?
Right now,
Pawan, guess it. Pawan, guess it. This is our classroom practical. Okay.
Yeah.
This is our classroom practical, and he modified in a better way.
Yeah.
so right now this page is showing in my local. Okay, this is the test one. Whatever I changes I make in this file, that will directly be reflected over here.
No,
It's
this
not
file
hosted.
is this file is EC2 instance or your local machine? I mean your local PC.
It's a local.
I'm
Okay.
saying right now it is in local.
Okay.
This one you saw. Let me get it back. This one.
Yeah, this you
This one is on S3. This one is on S3.
Ashwini, give this link to everyone also. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, this is what we did the practical S3, right? And he did the next level of that part. Yep. Good.
So let me add this. I have changed this portfolio over here after my name.
Correct.
And I'll make it a commit. Commit -1. It's been updated. I'll then post it over the GitHub. Right now it is in my Git in my local machine, and after that I'll just post it. It will go back to the GitHub from where it has been cloned. You can check where it will go with the git remote hyphen. See, this is the my GitHub link where my portfolio is hosted. Okay, so this if I post it, it will go on this link. Git push. So it shows all the details of whatever I've been pushed to the GitHub. And then I'll go back to the AWS S3.
Open a new tab. Open one more tab. Okay. Cool.
Portfolio has been changed.
The changes has been changed into the S3 itself. Guys, got it? Or not got it?
Yeah, got it.
You
He
might
did some. I mean, in S3, he changing whatever he's changing, and he's pushing that code to the GitHub where he has placed that code. And from
yes. So you might be imagined why the code has directly been deployed to the S3. So I'll show you that.
Can you show that S3 instance in the machine?
Yeah, definitely.
See, the URL itself is mentioned as s3.amazon.com, right?
Okay, okay, fine.
Pawan, this is the same practical which we will did in our classes. I did directly into the S3, but he pushed the changes from the local machine. We did
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
We did the change into our
Directly from
directly.
yeah.
Correct. We did
Yeah.
directly. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Ashwini, it's impressive. Okay. You can sell
One
yourself.
more thing, sir. One more thing.
You
one
can
more,
sell yourself. I'm telling. Okay.
one more thing I have to show. Yeah.
Obviously, your talent and you can sell it. Just. And when
So
the
this
HR
is
asks
the
your
S3
profile, na,
bucket.
correct. When the
My
HR asks the profile, you can give this link also to them. Okay.
my
Yes.
question with Ashwini that how he did the changes in GitHub and that reflected in
That
the S3
that
bucket.
I'm going to explain right now. Okay. That is the part of GitHub Actions where CI/CD works. Okay.
Correct.
So this is. Let me open again. So remember this name Ashwani Kumar. This is the bucket name hosted over S3. Okay. So now we'll go to directly GitHub Actions file. So this is a .github workflows is the action file where YML is written. Whenever I make a push, it will directly go to the S3. So say this S3 colon slash slash Ashwani Kumar. This is the S3 bucket. This is my credentials.
Guys, he run the CI/CD with the help of GitHub action. Show the GitHub action where the changes happen. Show the GitHub action UI.
Yes, definitely. I'll make another change and then show you a build.
Correct. You can do one more change. Okay. And parallelly, you can open the GitHub page also.
So this is the portfolio you have just seen that it has been available here.
Yes.
I'll make another change and remove
Just
this
make the
portfolio.
correction of the DevOps engineer O spelling. DevOps engineer O spelling. Okay.
Okay, I'll do both.
Yes.
I'll remove this portfolio word from my name. And another one is DevOps.
Spelling. DEVO should become the capital.
Let me find where it is.
Because if you will send it to someone, it will not looks good, right?
It's in upside, I think.
Control F and search it. No worries.
No, so many DevOps words are there.
Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Here
Here
it
it
is
is.
number 187. Yeah, correct. 186.
Okay, I have made both the changes. I'll save this and I'll get add.
As soon as you saved it, as soon as you will push it.
Git add. I'll commit. Till commit, it will remain in my local machine only.
Correct.
But as I enter the git push, it will directly go to my GitHub.
As soon as he made the commit, it will be into the staging area. As soon as he run the push command, the code has been came to his GitHub. Okay. And as soon
You
as
can
the
see
code
that
came-
it's been building.
Correct. As soon as port came to the GitHub action has been started and start building the code or action means whatever the next action is required, it is performing that. Continue, Ashwini.
Yeah, let it finish.
So it is same like a Jenkins, right? Which we perform the automatic tasks like through the Jenkins.
Correct.
It's same.
Okay.
Jenkins and GitHub Actions are
Yes,
same.
yes,
Both work for same thing.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay.
See the CI, you can say in short, CI/CD is running at the back
If
end.
you can just see
Yeah,
the
yeah.
details.
Also,
it will
he can give this EWS URL in that Jenkins also. He can trigger from there also.
Correct.
That is also possible.
Possible.
Yeah, yeah.
Possible. Both are possible. Okay.
Now
Yes,
we'll
look like it is
jump to the-
completed. Okay. As soon as it is completed, and
I'll see the portfolio. See, it's been showing DevOps
And
O
O
with
is
a
capital.
bigger capital O and portfolio has been removed from it.
Great.
guys, something impressive? Yes or no?
Yes, but I think you need to publish this on the web so that
He already published. He already
It's
published.
already published.
He already shared with the HR also.
Yeah. Just to share the link with the HR. Whoever asks for your resume, share this link. That's it.
It's on my GitHub profile, in my LinkedIn, everywhere, my WhatsApp, everywhere. You can find it.
Yeah.
Correct.
Looks nice actually.
Ashwini, this is impressive. Okay. Really, I'm very happy with you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, in the last batch also, he presented in a very simple way, but this time in the 2 month duration, he did lot of changes. Correct, Ashwini?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it too, guys, don't think that over the night he did all these things. He spent the time. Okay. And I feel it's a spend he spent the time. This is looks very good. Okay. Yep.
You can also send messages to me over here. You
Where
can
it will
write
get
your
saved?
queries.
Where it will get saved?
It will come into my email.
Oh my God. Very good. Very
Yeah, even he shared with me his profile, and I tried to do these things. And actually, this mail is configuration is coming to my mail also. So he share all the code with me, and even as bucket is there, and that mail is coming
So
to me also.
everyone who is asking for the code, it's already in my GitHub. You can go there and you can just
Correct.
copy it.
Correct. Okay.
Wow.
Guys, see, coding is not a main skill here. How you are doing that's the important thing, right? Yes or
Means,
no?
so it means, Sagar, some misconfiguration is there. Why mail is coming to your
It's okay.
email?
That's a secondary
It's
part.
No.
second, but
Sagar had asked me to send all the details, so I sent him the details
yes.
where
Okay,
to find all these things.
okay,
Now,
okay.
Yes,
now
yes,
Ashwini, be ready. Today, 2, 3 more people will ask. Okay.
Definitely, sir. I'll send this. It's my
I already taken.
you already
I
have my
made the
number.
website.
Good. Guys, see, this is called something extra. You are doing it, correct? Yes or no? Now the talent is coming from your talent is coming out from your side. Are you agree?
Yes, yes,
Definitely, sir.
yes.
Cool. This type of
Idea.
innovation, idea. He given the idea to you. Now you can create your own portfolio as well. Just change the name Ashwini to your name. That's it. Change the photograph. That's it. Level 1.
Good year.
Cool.
Next level.
Yes. Okay.
Do
Now,
consider me for referrals because I'm having a contract and by the end of December.
good. Yeah, obviously. Okay, guys, this is required. Okay, we have to refer each other because we all are working in one of the MNCs, right? One of the companies. Correct.
For sure.
Thank you for everyone.
Thank you.
Look, I'm not very good with PPTs. I'm very good with
No,
demos.
doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, your skills, you already rock it. Okay, nothing else required.
Actually, you are at that level that you should be excel in this one or this one mainly. So you are at the right track actually.
Correct.
Thank you. Thanks very much, everyone.
Thank you.
I'm just a fresher right now. I consider myself fresher. Every day I go to AWS, I think this is new. I haven't learned this. I need to learn this. Every day I go on AWS, I feel same. I don't know anything.
No, but it's not like that. Okay, now you know
Yeah,
a lot of
definitely.
things.
That's the thrust that push me to learn new things every day and go deeper in AWS.
Ashwini, how is your
Good year.
confidence now? Simple. See,
Very
lot of
good, sir.
people are appreciating you. Means you did really a good work. Are you agree?
Yep.
Right. So you have to show this talent in the interview. When? Tell me the
Definitely.
date. Tell me the date. When? In this
Every
one.
day. I'm already every day. I'm
Okay,
ready
good.
every day.
Good. Okay. Make some topics where you have to redact the interviewer. Okay. It can be AWS, it can be DevOps, whatever it is. Okay. Choose one expertise area. As you told, you are a fresher. Choose one expertise area. Write it on the top of your resume. Highlight that and redact them and give the 5 answers or 10 good answers into that. That's it.
So currently I'm working with preparing a project. It will take 3-4 days more
Correct.
to be finished. So I'll add that. That is include Terraform, EKS, ECS, the Docker Hub, and AWS.
Ashwini, I'm giving you 10 days time. Okay. Today is 13. We will meet on 25th. Okay. And you
Yep.
can present again in next 15 minutes.
I
Okay.
have written a little bit like I can
No,
show you.
not now. Okay. You can do it after 50. You can take your time. Aram se. Be ready, make it impressive and impress again to everyone. Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Okay. And in that time, make sure you are trying to get a job also. Okay. Please.
Yep.
Thank you. Cool. Who is the next person? Sagar, over to you.
Yes, I'm sharing the screen.
Guys, Sagar is the next person who will help you out and he will tell you about the Jenkins related information, installation, as well as he will run one dummy job into the Jenkins. Okay. Cool, Sagar. Over to you. You
Yeah,
can share.
can you? Yeah,
Yeah,
now
you can
I'm
share.
sharing again.
Yeah.
Screen. Is my screen visible?
Not yet.
Right now it's visible.
Yeah, now it's okay. Continue.
No, it's okay. So I'm starting with simple installation. What is Jenkins and everything, as the previously Pawan has already told you, is a continuous integration. It's plan, code, build, test, deploy, operate, and monitor the things that on there. So I'm just going with the practicals on there with the VM instance that we have to create the VM instance. Just click on create instance. I'm just starting with the initial installation of the VM. Go to below and choose your whatever the things that you want to select machine type, what is that on there. Then go to below and changes the operating system. Right now we are going with the Ubuntu one.
Upper one, upper tab, upper tab.
Sorry. It's Ubuntu, and here the operating system version available. Different operating system version are available. If you want to changes the size, you can change the disk hard disk size and allow the firewall traffics that uh, included on there, and then just create the instance.
You
It
did
will
very
take
simple. It's just 3-4 clicks.
Yes, it is on the 4 clicks that instant has created. Now it will take 30 seconds that will create. It's created now. I'm just clicking on the SSS to get the port connected with there. Port number 22. It will connect from there. Allow the traffics to get the connect key verification. Now it's get connected. I had already written some commands for there how to get the things. First, we have to go with the root user. For that, sudo -i, that we will go with the root user. And then for the Jenkins, first we have to be installed with the Java part. So for that, you can, if you want to know how to install what is in available, how to install in the Java, what is the necessary part, here is the links that mention all the things about installation part, what required, if there is any update available on Jenkins parts, that will be shown on here. Right now I'm going with the direct the installation part. First we have to be update the uh, things. It is Ubuntu, so we are just writing apt update. Now it will update the things. Now we have to install the Java 17 as per the there is a command apt install openjdk 17 Java. So I'm just copying that command and pasting. Now it is updated. Now I'm pasting the part. Now Java part will be installed on here, Java 17. Now for after installation, we are just checking the Java version, what is the version available on there, that what we had installed, it is correct or not. Yes, that we had installed Java 17 OpenJDK. Yes, it is installed on there. Now we are going with the adding repository of the Jenkins that is there. So we are just as per the things copying. Now it's done. Again, we are adding some, you can say that the repos on there, what available. Now just again update the things, what repository we have added that needs to be updated. After updating, we have to install the Jenkins. Now Jenkins installation had been there. We have to follow every step for the installation. If any one of the step is missed, then Jenkins will be not working properly. We have to then again find the root cause, what is the exact issue, and then resolve that. But if we miss any step, then Jenkins will be the issues. After installation, that we are checking that our Jenkins are working or not properly. For that command is available. Just checking, yes, our Jenkins is working properly here. So we are it's there. Now we are going with our public IP that available on there, and our port number 8080. I'm just copying here 8080. Oh, it's I have to allow the port on firewall. It's already there. I allowed it, but create a new firewall rule.
Don't create every time new. You can edit the original firewall only. Okay, or whatever you know, you
Here
can do it.
lots
But yeah, okay, you can continue whatever you are doing.
Okay. I'm just giving the name. It's allowed. I'm just allowing with the all instance in the network. Source. Allow all protocols. Just allowing, and the create the firewall rule. Now firewall is created. Now again I'm checking it. Still it's not.
Check HTTP or check it's HTTP or HTTPS. What it is?
It is HTTPS.
Remove.
HTTP.
Now it's
Now it's working.
Good.
We have to go with these password location on our part. It's just go with the git command.
Perfect.
Now here is the password available. So just copy that password and put it here, and the continue and install the plugin.
Suggested plugins, around 100 plus plugins will be installed with the help of this click.
Yes.
Means
Now in
I can say without plugins, Jenkins is nothing. Okay. After installing the Jenkins, only the integration and all this thing will come to the picture. Yes, I can continue.
yeah. That in meanwhile that installation plugins has completing. So for that, one more things that required, that Java JDK need to be installed on the VM, so that our um, automation will be work on there. So I'm installing on that.
I have not
After
understood
that
this. I have not
instance.
understood this part. Why you are installing 2 times?
This is JRK that we are installing on there. Here,
Okay.
JDK files, that
Okay.
development files that need to be installed. After that, all the CI/CD work will be there.
Okay. So guys, see, no need to install two times. You can install
Yeah,
directly JDK.
install one time. Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
You can directly install the JDK itself.
JDK.
So that because see, Jenkins is a server, we have to do edit. If the Java program did any changes, so JDK will be required. So starting onwards, you can install the JDK itself. Okay, no JRE. Cool.
Okay.
Continue. Sagar,
Now, yeah, username, admin, password. I'm just putting on here. You can put the password for the usage. it's first time it is always be asking for the admin part, whatever name and email address if you want, and save and continue. Here giving the link, and I'm just putting save and finished.
Perfect.
Start using the Jenkins. Now I'm creating new job on here. Just create on new item, give the names. I'm just writing new on there. I'm going with the freestyle project, and okay. Now it's been created on there. I have to check with the GitHub link. That particular link available on here. I'm just copying GitHub link for
For running the
automate the things, running the CI part. Yeah, now I'm going with the source code where the code is available. Code is available on particular this part. If it is on the private, so we have to put the credential. It is on the public, so we don't have to do. And then we have to go with the branches. It is on the main. We have to check on the GitHub part. What is the main, or you can say that the part you can just check here it is the main part, so I'm writing the main on here. So that's most important part. Whatever the how many times you want to automate this thing, you can go with this here. I'm just simply going, and then build the script at the build. I'm going with the whatever script you have, I'm executing the shell. So here I am writing Java C, and the name of that particular code on the GitHub, it is on the my, that is first dot Java that I had written. If you want to check here, just uh, available on there. I think yeah, here it is the if you checked on here, here it is my name first dot Java, and I'm just reading here class dot Sagar. Here it is written on class dot Sagar. So here first dot compiling, I'm compiling the things on the first bit, and then Java space SGA. And I am applying, and then save. When we build now, so it will build the I'm just clicking on the build now, so it's click happening the building process. So here it is done, my build process successfully. Here message will be showing, yeah, it's done successfully.
Perfect. Good.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sagar, really good. Okay. You can stop sharing your screen. Okay. Sagar, it was really good. I really liked it. Guys, what about you? Sagar, you stop the camera also, no?
Thanks. Sorry. No, thanks.
Guys, what do you say about Sagar?
Yeah, it was good.
Good, yeah. He's shown good practical.
Correct. Yes. Sagar, really, it's good. Okay. How you presented, how much is your confidence now? Tell me.
Yeah, it's more I'm more confident over the practicals on you can say that that what you taught 21 22 practicals I had done. Remaining 7 practicals are there, so I have to practice on there. But till 21 I am very much confident that anyone is middle of the night, if they wake up me and say that you do that part, I am ready to do that. That's the things on the practical. Yes, as Amit
But
told previously.
actually, this is a very basic thing. There are
Yes.
sometimes problems are coming in Jenkins, so that need to tackle in the night. Sometimes you are getting calls.
Pawan. See, if basics are strong, then
Yeah,
definitely the
yeah,
tough
yeah,
thing
sure,
can
yeah,
be
yeah,
achieved,
yeah,
right?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
This is
definitely.
obvious. Yes, yes, yes.
Correct.
Yes.
No, no,
Sagar,
I'm telling for the call. He's telling in the night he will get for Jenkins issue
you
calls.
will not get call for this, okay?
Yeah.
You will get a call that Jenkins server itself is not working, all the machines are not working. Whatever the Pawan has told us, that all things will come into the picture in the
Yeah.
night.
Definitely, definitely. It is
But-
there. I'm on the service industry. It's school when I started. I had to take school is start in the morning 7:30. They get the call, sir. Server is not working, sir. Falana is not working. So like that, yes, definitely, it's there in that part.
Correct. Agree. But Sagar, you are confident, right?
Right.
Good. Thank you. Guys, Sagar will be our SME for the Jenkins. Sagar, Pawan, whoever is doing that, great. Okay, you are our SME. Whatever the problems are coming in the group, please help. Okay, because you are a community members now.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thanks, Sagar. Thanks. Good.
Guys, what do you think? You want to take one more, or I think it's enough for today because it's 10:10. Okay.
I think it's enough. We can do in evening.
Yeah, we can guess. Yeah, what's my plan is we have completed this 8. Everyone is perfect. Everyone is on the next level now. Okay. You can see that you are presenting in front of 30 people at this point. Okay. So your level is really good. Okay. And the next thing is the next 8 members. Guys, we will start again from the Sonali in the evening, 8 p.m. Sorry. And then no, we will start with the Azure DevOps. Okay. Whatever the Pawan want to take 15, half an hour, 1 hour, whatever it is, let him take. And after that, for the next 1 hour, we will discuss this all things as well. Okay. In the today 8 p.m. session. Cool.
Yeah.
All good. Everyone okay?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And thanks for making this success in the today's.
Vikas sir, one question.
Yeah.
Pawan has explained about the GitHub strategy and all those things. So we should remember those strategies, all those things. Like when in the interview purpose, they can ask the question, what strategy and all those things.
It will be better. It will be better. Okay. If you remember it, it will be good. Because we don't know what interviewer may ask. Correct?
He can ask anything from the question git side. Yeah.
Correct. Wherever you will redirect, he may ask the question. Right?
He will not ask you to install this git, install that. He will ask the theoretical questions most of the times.
See, he will ask based on your experience,
Yeah,
based on
yeah.
your confidence, based on your capabilities also. Okay. Whatever we written into the resume, based on that, the interview will happen.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot, guys. Thanks a lot
But
again. for my
this
help.
real practical will be tested during the job. When you are doing, they will give you job, then it will come in picture, the real practicals.
Oh,
Yes.
these are reals. Pawan,
That's
these are
true.
all reals.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.